All right, next car for oil change. Well, now the 2004 Toyota oil change. You pop the lever on the inside and
Yeah, if I remember where it's at. This one can't screw it. This part here.
yeah.
But it's fine. It's been a half quart low.
And on here we have, here's where we're going to add the oil. And this one calls for something 30, probably 10W30.
That's something 30.
Yeah, well,
Yeah.
Ooh, so,
you're about a quart low now.
Yeah, we're.
Oh, well, it's tipped up.
Yeah, well, and that's the other thing too. On the other car was tilted up when we was testing it.
Never thought about that.
So you probably have a little too much oil in there.
Oh, don't say that. Okay.
But you got to put some oil in order to be able to do anything with it. So, all right, we're going to use a 14mm socket on this. We couldn't remember, so we had to try a couple different ones so it fit.
We've never changed oil on this one, have we? Since we got it.
No, I don't think so. Well, we didn't drive it for a long time because I had trouble with the starter not wanting to work. And we changed the starter relay and then
this little bigger.
Put in a bypass switch so it'll always kick the starter on. Sometimes we have to put it in neutral and it'll start. Most time it starts just normal. Once in a while we have to go into neutral, and then I think once I had to use the button, and once I use it just because I just hit the button instead of trying to put it in neutral. Back when I first got it, put in that way.
I hope this is not cross-threaded, but normally these come out really easy, and it's not coming out easy. I don't know what the heck they might have done to it.
Yeah.
I don't like the feel of it. There, finally. They might have put something in it too, I don't know. Okay. Well, it didn't get too bad. Pretty dirty though.
Yeah.
Dirtier than mine was. Okay, I need a rag, but that's okay. May have to wait for that to drain to get the oil filter. It's straight up here, and the pan's not that big.
Oh, yeah.
Well, maybe it is, but not while it's flowing out that quick. Once it starts drizzling.
Because you can hit where it hits the back of the pan, and you may or may not have enough room.
Right. See, that's over here. That's not going to work yet.
Yeah. Because you'll have some come out on the filter.
We might be able to get it. Okay. I got the wrench up on the... I use this type of wrench because it's a grippy.
Yeah.
I have the plier type too. Depends on what I'm doing, what vehicle.
Well, let's see if we can get in here and see what we're doing, where you can see where it's at.
Oh, that ain't going to help. That's some plastic.
Yeah, I'm just moving that away, yeah.
Okay. Come loose. Don't get, your camera's underneath there. You might want to tilt it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's coming down my hand. Ooh, yucky. The only thing I hate about these things.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what the problem was.
What would they?
This is.
Oh, they put a little
cylinder or something on it. I don't know.
Yeah, a Loctite or something to seal it. That's why it's hard coming off to start with.
Here's some more of it.
I've never seen anybody do that.
No, that's crazy. You had to We bought it from a dealer and they used it as a loaner, but
Yeah, well,
that's crazy. Oh man, I got oil all over
they
me.
use it as a loaner, and then it had problems where it didn't consistently want to start. So I think they stopped using it as a loaner because of that. But their excuse was that their insurance won't let them do a loaner car anymore. That was their excuse. I don't really believe it, but
We left the oil filter upstairs.
yeah. Let's let this drain a little bit, and then we'll
Give me some
come back
rags and the oil filter.
yeah.
Okay, you always want to put some oil. Yeah, we want to put some oil in it too. We got to oil up the ring. That way it works better. Come here, Joe. I don't think I got enough oil, so just get some out of here. And then we want to put some oil in here.
Just a little bit's all you need to put in.
Well, if I could get it in here instead of all over me.
That's the problem trying to do it underneath here.
That should do it.
Because if you don't have oil in there, and then when you start it, it's don't have any in there, and then with it oil in there, also, you don't have to worry about trying to compensate for how much oil you need to put in the filter.
Right. And it helps, and it starts lubricating quicker too.
Yeah, because it has to go through the filter before it gets into the engine.
Putting the filter on.
And what I normally do is I go like hand tight and then turn like a quarter of a turn
Exactly.
to no more than a half a turn, because they don't need to be on super tight. If you go too tight, they crush the gasket and it doesn't seal as good.
Yeah.
Just like a lot of things, if you get it too tight, it actually loosens up.
Oh, for crying out. Oh, it's a little bit loose. Tighten it up a little bit.
This one's got that little rough edge on it so you can grip
nice.
it.
That should do it.
I'm gonna go put the plug back in.
Yeah, it gets tough. Like the threads are screwed up or something. I don't like that.
Well, we'll check it and make sure it doesn't leak. But you should always look underneath it when you start it, making sure your filter's not leaking or your plug's not leaking. Because if that's leaking, you put it under much pressure and...
It'd be nice to have a little gasket, even if it's a rubber gasket, it might be nice, because it's got a rough edge on it.
Maybe one like they put on like on brake lines, little brass nut.
Yeah.
And you get it snug down.
Yes.
So now we'll check it when we get ready to start it up.
Got to put oil in it first.
Yep.
Okay. Wipe stuff down so it's not all nasty in here. That way we can tell if it's leaking later.
Well, we're ready to put the oil in now. We got the cap off, the funnel on there. The dipstick is out. And then now we're going to pour it in. I'm not sure how many quarts this thing takes.
4 or 4.5, something like that.
Yeah.
We have...
It's a small engine, so I'm sure it don't take much more than about 4.
Well, yeah. That 3.6 liter is... I was surprised it took 6 quarts. Oh, I gotta hold this one up.
Yeah.
It don't go in very fast.
No. And at the top of there is where I think the top of the valves are sitting there.
Yeah.
So it won't fit down as far, and it has to run through. It's not like a fill. It's I think it's the return for the normal oil.
My arm gets tired.
Mm-hmm. And how many quarts was in that can to start with?
4.5.
4.5. So it's going to take pretty much most of it. We'll check it and see where it's at. And then we'll have to take it off the ramps before we finalize the...
Oh, we're close. Look at that. It's
Yeah.
here, and that's where we need to go. Here.
Okay. So I'd say for right now, let's go ahead and start it up and then back it off the ramps.
And recheck it.
Yeah. When we did our van, we did it all up. So it's probably
Maybe.
a little bit full, but...
A little over. Hopefully it'll be okay. Okay. Okay.
All right, now then we'll back off the ramps and... All right. Now we're actually kind of pointing forward, just down a little bit in the front, but it's pretty close to being level here.
A lot closer than it was.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and when you look at it, you can see how far up it went just by running it.
Well,
That's why he's got to pull it out and wipe it off.
Oh, yeah, that's maybe up there. Okay. I still need about a half a quart.
Yep.
Okay.
Wasn't a whole lot different than what it was when it was up on the ramps.
No, it wasn't any different, so maybe a van's okay.
And I'll hold the funnel
Okay.
while you pour. What, probably the rest of that in there?
No.
Oh, not quite.
That might do it. Put it on there, yeah. Okay. No, just hang on.
Oh, they're just gonna test it.
First. Check it first. Should be good. Yep. Perfect. Right.
Or it's supposed to be.
It's fine. Right where it's at.
Okay, now we want to check that drain plug to make sure it's
Not leaking.
not leaking.
They had some stuff on that stupid thing.
Yeah, I don't know why they put a bunch of stuff on there.
Okay.
Didn't see anything leaking, so we're all done.
Yeah.